Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Zoom profile picture. So let's start. But before moving forward, you have to know that you cannot do this from the Zoom app. You have to do it from a browser. So first open a browser. Then go to zoom.us. Now you have to sign into your account. To sign in, tap on three bars on top right corner. And then tap on sign in. Now sign in your account as you like. I will continue with Google. Once you are signed in, tap on three bars on top right corner again. Now scroll down the menu and then tap on My Profile. And here you will see your profile picture. Now to remove your profile picture, tap on Delete. Now tap Yes. And your profile picture will be removed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.